What's up, YouTube? I'm Super Dan the Shoe Man, and I've got another unboxing for you today. I don't know that you've seen these, you haven't seen these videos as maybe you have, maybe you saw one of them. As I'm recording this video, you will have seen this video already. So this one was just unboxed today. This is about to be unboxed. I don't think I'm going to record this today, but I've got this one to record another video on, plus another one still coming in the mail. Another W from City Gear that I got to go pick up day after tomorrow. And just a week ago, I had no new shoes. I had a couple old shoes I could go make videos on that I never made them on before, but I had no new shoes coming in, and I was a little, not necessarily worried, not even as far as concerned, but where I was going to get my next content was at least on my mind. That makes sense, Haley?
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, I wasn't worried because I don't feel like this is the kind of thing I need to worry about for a number of reasons. Mainly because I put my trust in Jesus for this channel, because all of the glory of this channel, if whatever there is, whatever level of glory there is, will go to him. Because I just do what I feel like I'm called to do, which is talk about him in these videos and do something that I enjoy doing, which is talking about some shoes. But I told y'all on my live, which now is a couple weeks ago, that I'd made a move on these, and now they're here. Not only did I tell you on the live, I also had it in my 2022 must cop video. This, another one very similar to this, and two other non-Jordan, non-Dunks, Nikes, but non-Jordan, non-Dunks are my must cops for this year. And here is one of my must cops for this year. These aren't supposed to come out until April, and it's now like February, no, it's just February 14th. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all.
Even though this is probably not going to be posted today.
Well, it will not be posted today, but I can still say it. But I'm excited to get these open because I want to see these. The pistachios dropped last week? Yes, last Friday. And I took a big L, like a bad one. I think you needed to get in line, like a 5-minute or less line. I had like 30 minutes when I finally got in the line, got carded and got in line. What are you looking at there, Haley?
The other side of the box. It's like a ticket. It's another, oh, it's Union.
Passport.
Yeah.
Passport.
Oh, no, I was thinking plane ticket.
Passport. The box is a little messed up. That's what I get though. Ooh. This is the Nike Dunk Low /U Court Purple, White, Opti, Yellow. I have not seen a YouTube video on this one yet, but we are going to talk about the box. We have seen the boxes on other YouTube videos. It's supposed to look like a passport and also a ticket.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
This one is supposed to look like a plane ticket. These lines are back here so that it can't be just copied, but it's also supposed to look a little older, like from the early 2000s, not
the lines.
Just the whole thing in general. Oh. The ticket is from a ticket from years ago, not one you might get today. Right.
Well, you don't even get tickets today. Now you just get online.
No, you can print them. You can print tickets. I like having tickets too, just in case.
That's cute.
Nike, Inc., Union LA, carrier code, fare basis, ticket designator class, open, flight, open, document number, coupon allow, yeah. Issued by, name of passenger, from, to, carry, like baggage, number. Same stuff over here. Issuing agent ID JD39.
Oh, we're not going.
It's unlawful to purchase or resell this ticket from any entity other than the issuing character or its authorized agents.
I would like to know why, of all the places that they're going to Beaverton, Oregon. I guess that's what OR stands for.
Nike.
What?
Nike.
Nike? Is that where the Nike store's at or something?
Headquarters.
Oh! Yeah.
Okay, Google, where is the Nike headquarters?
Yeah, I definitely didn't know that. Oh, geez.
We get some passport paper. This is like stamps on your passport. I've got several stamps on my passport, but need to get some more. 2020. Last time I was out of the country was 2019. Right at the end of 2019, like October, November-ish. I was in Mongolia. Came back from Mongolia. I was in a fishing tournament, and I was on somebody else's boat, somebody I'd never met before. And he's like, "You haven't been out of the country recently, have you?" I was like, yes. He's like, "Man, you're not sick, are you?" I was like, "No." And he was like, "Man, I went to a tournament. I had a tournament a couple years ago, and I missed the entire second and third day of the tournament because the person that was on my boat on day one had just gotten in from out of the country and was sick and got me sick." Turns out I wasn't sick, but turns out just a couple months later, within a couple months, that from the side of the globe that I was on, guess what came? Don't say it. You know. We're not going to talk about those words, just in case YouTube gets upset. But stamp, passport, Japan immigration,
Ooh.
90 days, customs and border.
Okay, bro,
Homeland
open
Security.
it up.
You take a look. You take a look. Can you see it?
No, I can't.
Can you see it?
No, I can't.
Still?
Oh, ooh! Bro, you should have got my size. Why would you do this? Come on, bruh.
All right, you got to look at me now because we got to get the reaction.
Okay.
You ready for the reaction?
I'm ready.
Can
I'm
I
ready.
look?
Yes,
Can
bruh.
I
Yeah,
look?
yeah.
I've been waiting on this for so long.
That was the lamest reaction I've ever seen in my life. Worse than mine.
All right, I think I like these more than I thought I would.
Oh, I definitely didn't even. I've never even seen those.
Like a lot more than I thought I would. A lot. Like a lot.
Oh, yeah, I like these a lot.
Oh, yeah. They're very light. And I think I remember somebody else, another YouTuber, maybe Seth Fowler, talking
I was about to say that.
And which
he did.
I don't know why. I don't know why they'd make them so much lighter, but it makes sense that they might make. Nice purple. You got to do that too.
No.
Some nice, but it makes sense that they'd be light because if you're wearing them as you travel, you walk a lot.
Right. And the passport ticket and the ticket. You're walking a lot in like the airport.
Yeah, we're talking about travel here.
Yeah.
We're continuing the travel.
I know that. I was also continuing it. You just made it awkward.
What I haven't been a fan of in every single video that I've seen is they all look messed up. So when I first saw these, I thought that this stitching was messed up. Like, it's just terrible. It's not straight. Then I find out it's supposed to be like that. I realize at some point, it didn't take long for me to realize that it's just supposed to not be straight. This is all intentional, right?
I guess so.
Yeah, no, it is. It is.
This one looks like it crosses over.
It does. Like they're all over.
That's awesome.
You also get these loose ends. The
I
tag
really
ends,
like those.
The tag ends of this stitching here, which is pretty cool. But what I haven't liked about a lot of them is that like there's been paint from the purple way up here. These lines are just really not straight, and they're kind of not straight right here. There's a little bit of paint issue here. This one looks good. This one, they're okay. Not bad. Oh, no. I mean, I don't think there's much leather in this. What I do think, though, is something we are absolutely 100% going to do. We're cutting off the ripstop.
What? Oh, wait, what's the ripstop?
This covering. You can cut it off, and there's leather underneath it.
That's going to be not cute, but
maybe
it will.
I've seen like just a little bit removed from here. I want to see the purple. Like I want to see the purple.
It looks
better.
gray.
That's because it's through white ripstop.
Oh.
But I'm going to cut this stuff off. I'm going to check out what's underneath. I'm not going to do it right now. It's not going to be in this video. You got to wait for the next one. I'm not sure if this is 3M reflective or not, but it kind of feels like it. We get our little Union LA guy right here.
You also get it on the bottom.
Yes. Yes, we get the Union LA guy through here. Let's see if this does anything. You can't see it better, can you? No. Yeah. There's a picture on somewhere of them being x-rayed, and you can really see that really well. But we got an icy purple outsole with, see orange?
I'd say yellow.
Yellow, okay. Through the bottom, like, man, these are nice.
I really, really, really like these.
Yes.
I think just because there's so much white on them, because I think a lot of the shoes that you get, they don't like I don't like the color blocking of them. Like, I like the colors are nice, I just don't like the color blocking. Like, I feel like especially recently, they've been a lot darker shoes, and I like light shoes.
So you can kind of see that this ripstop comes up here, and there's some smooth white leather under there, right? You see it?
Yeah.
So I am absolutely going to cut this stuff off. You can see the grain of the leather there. It's a thin piece of leather, which helps it to be as light as it is. And a little bit of glue right here, like pink glue even.
Pink? Yeah, that's what I thought was up here.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Yeah. These have toe boxes that are different than a lot. Probably going to be more like this one. Like a really high toe box. I've seen people talking about this. I'm not a huge fan of high toe boxes. The 50 Off-White Dunks had this toe box, this high toe box, and what happened in a lot of those was that this part of especially the leather ones, but also the suede ones, was getting like dents in it. and they look terrible. Let's see, this is one maybe to compare to that's not so high. Yeah, this is not so high. I tend to like this cut of a toe box better, but I like these. There's nothing I don't like about these.
Yeah, I love these.
These are really nice. So, I'll probably get you some on foot. Stick it here at the end of this video.
Oh, this is like thick cardboard.
Quality cardboard. I'll get you some on foot. I'll put it at the end of this video, and stay tuned because we are gonna cut this off. I'll make a whole video. I'll do it. I'll put the whole process on the video, cutting it off with an X-Acto knife. I'll probably have Hesper doing that because she's really detail oriented, like not OCD. What's the other one? ADHD kind of.
ADD.
ADD.
Yeah.
No, it is.
ADHD is not.
Like she cannot pay attention to almost everything, but when she pays attention to one thing, it's like zoop. Like, shoop.
Yeah.
So we'll get. We're gonna make this video. And I hope, at least I think at this point, I don't think I've seen anybody with these in hand yet. So I'll get this video up as soon as I can. Might be the first one with the purple. I don't even know what they're calling. What Union is calling this one. Purple, Lakers, purple and yellow, purple, white. I don't know. But also to be the first one to cut this stuff off and show all of the process in a video. So stay tuned. Tell your grandma about the Union Passport Dunk Pack. What else? Smash that like button if you like these. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. And I'll see you next time.
You're so pretty.
Upside back.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire!